Hi, I am a computer science teacher in BS International School. As a computer science teacher, what I feel is it's high time we should decide on how to present computer science to the students as a mere subject or as a tool. The moment we present computer science as a subject and not a tool or a gadget, it becomes uninteresting and boring for them. Thus, BS International has decided to give adequate opportunity to the students to explore computer science as a tool and not a subject. This way, the learning not only becomes enjoyable and fun-filled, but also they can retain the knowledge for a longer period of time. It is psychologically very sound. This is a computer science lab which can accommodate around 25 students. It's quite spacious and it gives sufficient facilities to the students to not only explore but also enjoy the process of learning. Eva, what are you doing today?
So today I am doing MS PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint has improved my presentation skill. I learned how to present my information effectively in a short time.
And what else did you learn this year apart from PowerPoint?
I learned MS Excel, Q Basic, Visual Basics, Photoshop and HTML.
So how do you think these softwares are useful to you?
Programming skills in Q Basics has improved my mathematics skills as well. But my only knowledge for Photoshop was restricted to few mobile apps. Thank you.
So now after learning Photoshop, now you can edit pictures more effectively, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Halima, what is this you have created? Table. How did you create that table? Show me here. Where did you click?
Insert.
Okay.
Then I did insert and one table and clicked.
Yes.
And I gone for slide.
Yes.
And clicked the blank slide, and I'm doing the representation.